Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for health and fitness tips. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, sustainable diet hacks for weight loss. Not only will these tips help you shed those extra pounds, but they'll also boost your productivity. So, let's get started. Segment 1. What is a sustainable diet? First off, let's talk about what a sustainable diet really means. A sustainable diet not only helps you lose weight, but also benefits the planet. It focuses on whole foods, minimizes waste, and encourages mindful eating. This means you'll feel good about what you're eating and how it impacts the earth. Segment 2. Portion control. Tip number 1, portion control. It's super easy to overeat, especially with larger plates. Try using smaller dishes to automatically reduce your portion sizes. This way, you can enjoy your meals without going overboard. Plus, less food waste means a more sustainable approach. Segment 3. Incorporating plant-based foods. Next up, let's talk about plant-based foods. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet can make a huge difference. Not only are these foods lower in calories, but they also provide essential nutrients that keep you energized throughout the day. Whip up a quick smoothie or a hearty veggie stir-fry, your body and mind will thank you. Segment 4. Mindful eating practices. Now, on to mindful eating. It's all about being present during your meals. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and focus on your food. This practice can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating, which is key for weight loss. Segment 5. Choosing whole foods over processed. Tip 5. Choose whole foods over processed ones. Whole foods are nutrient-dense and keep you fuller for longer. Check labels and opt for items with fewer ingredients. This not only helps you lose weight, but also enhances your overall health and productivity. Segment 6. Meal prepping for success. Let's move on to meal prepping. Spend a little time each week preparing your meals in advance. This will save you time during busy days and help you avoid unhealthy choices. Plus, having healthy meals ready to go keeps you on track with your weight loss goals. Segment 7. Hydration hacks. Don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated improves your focus and productivity. If plain water bores you, try infusing it with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Segment 8. Smart snacking strategies. Next, let's talk about smart snacking. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, opt for healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit. These will keep your energy levels steady and help you avoid those dreaded afternoon slumps. Segment 9. Building a support system. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of community and support. Find a group or partner who shares your goals. Sharing your journey can motivate you and keep you accountable, making the process even more enjoyable. So, there you have it. Sustainable diet hacks for weight loss that also boost your productivity. Remember, it's all about making small, manageable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and fitness content. Share your own tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.